Wow, babe, what's up?
I'm fine. Guess what?
You know I'm not good at guessing.
Yes, no.
I'm not good at guessing, you know.
I'm a chicken.
Wow! Baby, this relationship will lead to marriage.
Aww.
From marriage to judgment day. Oh, give me a hug.
Neighbor, I can see you are really enjoying yourself.
You know today is Valentine and we just have to enjoy ourselves.
So I also went to shopping to go and
Okay,
So I have this gift for you.
You have a gift for me? Wow, thank you. God bless you. I'm very, very happy to have you in my back flat. By God's grace, I will take you to the front flat, while me, I will go to the back flat. You understand?
Mm.
Thank you very much.
Happy Valentine.